What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Betterman141, and if you're new here, please do consider subscribing, like the video, and press the bell icon for more updates. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own sound effects for your vlogging. When I say personalize, is your own liking of sound effects. Like, you say something, oh wow!
Say what?
And you would like to include that in your videos as sound effect. Yes, we can do that. And I'm gonna be teaching you that today. So there are two things that we need. First is your cell phone or any recording device. And as for me, I am going to use my cell phone. I'm going to teach you and show you how to do it. And second is your laptop, where you will edit your voice clip. So I'm going to get a cell phone. Okay, here's my phone. I'm gonna use the recorder, and you can say whatever you want to say as long as you like it to be a sound effect included in your video. So as for me, just for the sake of tutorial, I'll start the record now. Oh wow! Let's hear it. Oh wow! That's just an example, guys. You can create your own sound effects, right? So what we're going to do now is we go to my laptop, screen record the process, and later on you will have your bunch of sound effects and you can thank me later. So what's up guys, we're now in my computer. So this is the sound clip that I recorded earlier with my cell phone. So we're going to play it. Oh wow. Okay. So as you notice, there is silence before and after actual sound clip, right? Oh wow. And here. So we're going to remove that unnecessary silence so that when you put it on your video, there's precision as to where would you like to play it. So let's continue. We're going to use Acoustica. This is a free to use application, Windows application. You can download this, and I'm going to post the link down below the description of this video so you can download this. So what we're going to do is import this audio clip that I recorded on my cell phone and put it here. Okay, so let's go full screen. So let's try to play this. Oh wow. Okay, as you notice, there is a gap prior to the actual sound effect, right? Oh wow. So the actual sound effect just started here. Oh wow. And finishes here. So this is unnecessary. So we're going to remove that. So on your video, you can put this sound effect exactly to where you want it to play. So all you have to do is click here, just right where the sound clip ended. Click here and then hold, and then drag the cursor so you will highlight that portion, and then you press Ctrl X. So there you go, it's deleted. Same procedure here. So you select here right before it starts, like that. Click and hold to highlight, then press Ctrl and X. Okay, so it's only the sound effect right now left, and you're going to save it. The best thing to do after erasing those things before and after is you're going to drag this here so that Whenever you play it, it will play right away.
Oh wow.
See?
Oh wow.
See? Because if you leave it here, there's still gap. So again, okay?
Oh wow.
Okay. Did you notice
Oh
that?
wow.
So you have to drag this here and play.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Okay. Next thing to do is save as. Save as here. Okay, crap. What you're going to do is you name it according to your liking because you're the one who made it. So I'm going to put this so I can find it very easily. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to select MP3. You can select WMA files, WAV files, WAV, WAV, however you pronounce it. So in my case, I'm going to select MP3 files. There you go. And it's named WOW already. And select where you wanna save it. So in my case, desktop. Save, and there's another window that will pop up. Oh, it says I've already done this a while ago, and I'm going to replace this. Okay. After you select save, there's another window that will ask you a bunch of personalization questions. So what you're going to do is make sure that this right here is set to the highest quality there is. Okay. And then you're going to name it again. Oh wow. Oh wow. Say, you can put your name here just like this and comment, but this is optional, guys. No copyright, please. This is just for the tutorial purposes. You can select your genre here, whatever your genre you'd like to put, then year 2020, then save. And then once it's saved,
Oh wow.
you can locate that. Where's that? Here. You can locate that on the desktop where you preferred it to save. And then let's open it. Let's preview.
Oh wow.
Okay, so there you go, guys. Thanks for watching this video, this tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please like the video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel, Betterman141, and press the bell icon and select all so that you'd be notified once I have another video coming. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.